Once again, this is Tim from the Betting Strategies YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you the multiple strategy or multiple bet with Bet365. Unfortunately, it's not really explained very well on the website, so I'll give you a quick demonstration. So, the multiple bet has the distinct advantage that you can put quite a few bets together, relatively speaking, on one betting slip and not necessarily raise your risks, while still keeping the odds in your favour. So on the site, I've done the following. Now I've brought together the next matches from the first Bundesliga here. I've clicked through in my account, I like what I see, and I now put together more bets on a betting slip. So for example, I think that here, in the match between Mainz and Ingolstadt, that Mainz will definitely win. I think the same for Leverkusen against Hoffenheim. However, I think that here Darmstadt will end with a draw against Hanover, and that in this game between Augsburg and Hertha, that Augsburg is going to win. So you can now see these four bets on the right-hand side of the screen. What you can do now is the following. In the top right, click here on Bankers. This is already a multiple bet where you have to bet correctly for every bet on the slip. If one bet is wrong, then you've lost the entire betting slip. That's the risk at this point. So I would always tend to take a game where you're really sure that it will work and win. This could be seen as a rule in cases where the betting rate is very low, because then of course the chance that you win is very high. For example, here in the first game, Mainz against Ingolstadt, I really think Mainz will win. This is therefore a sure candidate for me. That's why I put the banker's bet here. So I'll click here on the B. And now it works like this. We'll go below to this window. And the betting system asks you, okay, how many other bets will also be correct on your betting slip? Definitely the banker's bet will be, right? But what else? 1 out of 3, or 2 out of 3, or 3 out of 3? Even if I'm very conservative, I'll definitely give my bet here above. Based on how sure I am out of the 4 bets placed so far, I'd say the banker's bet definitely, and another 1. So then we have 2 bets that would win here. Of course, we could select the whole betting slip. And then you'd get, in principle, your stake back of the 2-1 matches, the so-called quote. But you could go a little higher and say, alright, I'm very sure of these games. The banker's bet will fit and 2 more. Or you could also say absolutely everything fits, all 4 for now. So since I'm a conservative player at this position, I will set a total of €5, which is multiplied by 3. So that's €15 in total. It's all calculated for you down here. If you want to go very small, you can do €1 or €2 bets, even 3. And then you can click on the Set a Bet button, and the whole thing is submitted, okay? This is definitely a nice way to bring several bets together on one betting slip. But you must be very sure only of the banker's bet, so to say, that it will match. Everything else you get paid just the betting odds, which is what you would have gained on the betting slip. So this is definitely a wonderful thing around here, I would say, to have a lot of fun to put at the weekend on several games. I hope this video has helped you and that you liked it. If so, then give me a thumbs up on YouTube and hopefully you'll leave a comment. Until next time, ciao from Tim.